Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our what sold video. These are the postcards that sold yesterday, which was July 14th. I sent out 25% off offers, and you can see I had 23 orders for $243. I actually have to take, it's 22 orders for $233. I had some ink cartridges in my store that I thought I had deleted probably 5-6 months ago, and magically somehow they were relisted. I really thought I deleted them, but yeah, someone bought ink that I have not had in the store for 5-6 months. So I don't know if it was an eBay glitch or if what happened, but I had to cancel that order. And then over on plain postcards, 5 orders, $35. So for one day, something like $268. So it helps to send out offers to watchers. So let's go ahead and get started here. First one, buyer bought several cards like this. Philadelphia Zoo in Pennsylvania, Indian hornbill birds. $5.99. Could have had that 25% off offer. They bought this one, which is the Carnivora house. Also $5.99. Then they got the baby caimans. Also $5.99. Next we have Wildwood by the Sea, Sightseer Tram Casino Milk Bar Milkshakes. So somewhere back here, oh, ice cream maybe right there. And that sold for $6. Next, Belleville, New Jersey, Fountain Square 1910s, Street View, $18 on a best offer. I do not recall where this came from. Actually, probably the dealer that the widow I bought from her had, those were S's and T's in my inventory, so I think that's where this came from. But $18 for that card. Middletown, Pennsylvania, 1978 Pineford Village apartment complex fire. Sold for $4.99, and I still have many copies of those. Here's another Pennsylvania Zoo camels. $5.99. New York City Singer Building, tallest building in the world, 1908, $7 on a best offer. Honesdale, Main Street, this is in Pennsylvania, from Basin Bridge, South View Historical. This is the, it's like H&N, yeah, H&N, like, what is that thing, Canal. This is Historical Society. I sell these pretty frequently, $5. Just make sure if it's a reprint from the 70s. Actually, this one's from 61. You note it in the title. So $5 for that one. Hong Kong, typical street scene, real photo. 25% offer, I know, on this one. I think it's going back overseas. Hong Kong real photos do extremely well. It's gone down over the last couple years since the crackdown. Political protest in Hong Kong, and that was right at the time when COVID started. Before that, Hong Kong cards were much better. But still, I'll take, like, I think it was like 35, something like that. Next, La Shaka, or Lasaka, I don't know. It's Peddler's Village in Pennsylvania. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it. We can find that out, though. It's Lahaska. Yeah, Lahaska. Neat little shops. I've been there several times. Neat little shops in this area. $4.99. Hershey Amusement Park in Pennsylvania, the Turnpike Car Ride. Sold for $5.99. Next, they bought this one too. Hershey Park Ride, Dry Gulch Railroad Station. And that sold for $6.99. Sold a large letter greetings from Los Angeles. This is a chrome. Came in the auction lots from last August. $249. This is Pineville, Kentucky. View of city from Lookout Rock. So aerial view of a town, $7.99. Sold a dental book. This is True Bite Posteriors, 20-degree shallow bites. Best offer, so probably whatever 25% off of that is. And Easter Fantasy Dressed Chick Smoking Pipe Wearing Fez. I sell this one. Every time I get this card, it sells. $8.99. So anthropomorphic dressed animal. Probably could have asked a little bit more. Valentine's Day Mirrored Backwards Message Cupid. Artist sign D Wiggins. $7.99 for that. Probably best offer also. Let me see. River Crossing Ferry Boat Real Photo. Unknown location, I believe. Yeah, unknown location. But interesting subject matter. $10.99. New Hope, Pennsylvania. Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Mechanic Street. 1950s. Sold for $5.99. Lawrence, Michigan. Upper Lower Reynolds Lake. Real photo. $10. And then we have Lancaster, New Hampshire, 1920s View Main Street. $16.99. Could have been 20% off offer. And Columbia, Wrightsville Bridge on Lincoln Highway, $6.99. I sell this one. Every time I get it in, I sell it. So there's that. What else can we get into? Got the WhatNot again tomorrow at 8. Gonna finish off hopefully looks like 3 boxes of the cherry picked cards. Really nice stuff. It's been going for pretty reasonable rates, which is great for you resellers. But we'll finish those off tomorrow. And lots of ephemera and postcard dealers on eBay, WhatNot. So go check them out. Slowly working on hopefully maybe sometime in August to do like a all postcard and ephemera extravaganza with a whole bunch of other dealers, sellers on WhatNot. So working on that would be something like a weekend where it's just a postcard seller back to back to back to back to back for like an hour show. So we're working on that. Hopefully that happens here. Maybe we get some support from WhatNot to make that happen. So that's it. We'll see you tomorrow night at 8 for Postcard Lots. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day.